Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have 3 sticky notes stacked and aligned. This gives enough weight and stiffness to fly. Peel the top paper slightly to fold the stack in half lengthwise, creasing firmly from the center to the edges so the layers bond. Once done, fold each corner toward the center to form a pointed nose. These initial folds shape lift and stability, so make crisp creases. Make sure to keep a flat, even edge on the trailing end for a straight glide. Now refine the glider's wings and keel to control flight. Fold a narrow central strip up to act as a small keel. This stabilizes yaw. Fold each wing down at equal distances from the nose, then add tiny upturn tips about 1/2 centimeter to reduce rolling. Once shaped, press along all creases so layers stay together. Test by throwing gently. Small trims to wingtips or center folds noticeably change lift and glide. Finish by flight testing and tuning. Launch gently at a slight upward angle, watching for nose dive or looping. If it dives, make the nose thicker by adding a tiny tape dot or tightening the front fold. That increases forward momentum and stability. If it loops or stalls, bend the trailing wing edges up a hair to reduce lift. Make only one small adjustment at a time and repeat a few throws. If it veers left or right, tweak the opposite wing's trailing edge by the same small amount.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.